Today, we're going to talk about tinnitus in the military. Tinnitus is a major concern for the U.S. military. In fact, it's the #1 service connection in the Department of Veterans Administration, with over 2.5 million people receiving annual compensation. Service connection can also be thought of as disability compensation. The VA provides a variety of services to take care of its veterans, tinnitus included. Using proper mitigation techniques, education, and tinnitus management tools, many people currently in the military, as well as veterans, can live very fulfilling lives, even with tinnitus. The #1 cause of tinnitus in the VA is typically noise exposure, whether that's due to noise exposure on the battlefield or through training exercises. Protecting your ears and your hearing from noise can help reduce the perception of tinnitus over time. If you're unsure about your disability compensation eligibility, visit www.va.gov. Let's take a look at the important things to consider when dealing with tinnitus in the military. First, the prevalence of tinnitus. Tinnitus is very prevalent in the military, as we earlier discussed. It's the #1 service connection, and over 2.5 million veterans receive disability compensation for their tinnitus. Due to high noise exposure and heavy stress, it's not uncommon for tinnitus in the military. 2. Causes of tinnitus. As we talked about earlier, the #1 cause for tinnitus in the military is excessive noise exposure. This noise exposure comes from a variety of different things, such as gunfire, explosions, operating heavy machinery, aircraft carriers, anything that can produce a loud noise, including heavy artillery. 3, the impact that tinnitus has on personnel in the military. This can have a profound impact on performance, combat readiness, concentration. It can even lead to sleep disturbances for some people, and in some more severe cases, post-traumatic stress disorder, also known as PTSD. Lastly, diagnosing and assessing tinnitus. It's important to reach a VA audiologist to help better understand your tinnitus and to do the diagnostic evaluations needed to make sure there's no underlying conditions and help you be able to manage your tinnitus moving forward. Many of the VA hospitals around the country have audiology clinics, so feel free to contact your local VA hospital and the audiology clinic to set up an appointment. How do you manage tinnitus for military personnel? Managing tinnitus for military personnel or veterans is no different than managing tinnitus for civilians. There are a number of tools and techniques that you can use that can work for anybody experiencing tinnitus. These are: 1. Hearing protection. Protecting your ears and your hearing from excessively loud noise exposure is one of the best ways to help mitigate tinnitus and help prevent it from getting worse. 2. Counseling and education. Getting good professional information to better understand and learn what tinnitus is and what tinnitus isn't will give you the education you need to make decisions about how to best manage your tinnitus over time. 3, sound therapy. Sound therapy comes in a variety of different ways, from streaming your favorite songs or podcasts from your iPhone to using sound generators with built-in sound in them like white noise, or using white noise generators to help you sleep. Sound therapy is a good way to help you distract from the annoying sound that you're hearing in your head and allow you to refocus on things that are more important. 4, cognitive behavioral therapy, also known as CBT. CBT allows you to change your thoughts about tinnitus and convert them from negative thoughts to more neutral thoughts as you learn that tinnitus is not something that's going to harm you, but rather something that you have to get used to and learn mitigation techniques to help redirect your focus on things that are more important. 5, relaxation techniques. Using relaxation techniques like mindfulness can help relax the body and reduce the stress response that's oftentimes triggered when experiencing tinnitus. Mindfulness allows you to be present in the moment and not judge yourself while you're experiencing this thing called tinnitus. Relaxation techniques have proven to help many people find relief from their tinnitus. And lastly, number 6, medications. In some instances, medications can help with tinnitus relief. However, before taking any medications for tinnitus, it's important that you consult with a hearing healthcare professional to ensure that you're not harming yourself or putting yourself in a situation that can be negative. Overall, tinnitus is a major concern in the VA and with military personnel. Because of the excessive noise exposure that active military experience and veterans have experienced in the past, this can lead to hearing problems. And as the hearing mechanism gets worse, it's not uncommon for people to experience tinnitus. But as we've talked about, by using the proper tools and techniques, such as sound therapy, CBT, or relaxation techniques, you can find relief from your tinnitus and live a very fulfilling life. How can MindEar help you? Using a comprehensive, holistic tinnitus platform like MindEar can help you find relief from your tinnitus by providing you the necessary tools, resources, and techniques you need to find tinnitus relief. MindEar offers a variety of different features that allow you to manage your tinnitus throughout the day. For example, a sound library that allows you to select a variety of different soothing soundscapes to help distract you and refocus on things that are more important. Also, an educational library that provides a variety of content to help teach you about what tinnitus is and what tinnitus isn't. It also offers a variety of relaxation exercises. These guided exercises can help you reduce stress and anxiety and help you find relief from your tinnitus. Whatever your needs may be and wherever you are on your journey, let MindEar help you find tinnitus relief.